I never believed in love at first sight, but my black beast proved me wrong. Yes, you got it right. There is a new member in our house. After a lot of research, we have finally booked Creta E variant from Advaidth Hyundai Bangalore. Although the waiting period was 8 months, but fortunately we got the vehicle within a week. Advaidth Hyundai Outer Ring Road has done a good job in delivering the vehicle and arranging for the puja. We have accessorized our car from Glamour Car Accessories based in Koramangala, Bangalore. To start with, firstly, let's have a look at the showroom. This showroom is certainly one reason we choose to work with them, because they have an exclusive well-decorated showroom which enables us to take an easy sneak peek at all the ranges of products they deal with. This made our task easy while choosing accessories for our Black Beast. To make our cabin feel much more cozy and to reduce engine noise and vibrations inside cabin, we opted for CTK brand door dampings. It will not only improve audio acoustic but also provides excellent insulations too. It costed us 6,000 for 4 doors. It is very important to note here that at Glamour Car Accessories, no wire cuttings are done while installing the accessories in your car. So all connections are socket to socket only. There is no chance of warranty getting void for your car due to installation of these accessories. If you also want to get your car accessorized by Glamour Car Accessories, here in the description box, I'm sharing the location of the showroom. Talking about the music system, we have got 4 Harman speakers plus 2 tweeters installed both in front and rear, which costed us 12,000 rupees. Now coming to the back of the car, here we got rear view night vision block and camera installed. With 180-degree coverage, it costed us 2,200. We also opted for parcel tray, which costed us 2,900 rupees, and a shark fin antenna for 500 rupees and a roof rail for 3,200 rupees. To keep our car interiors free from moisture and dirt, so we choose to get MLF floor mat done, which costed us 3,800 rupees.
पूरा कैप अंदर जाएगा कट करके, अंदर जाके पूरा माउंट हो जाएगा, खाली टोटल बाहर दिखेगा आपको इसके अंदर से। वैसा चाहिए तो वैसा करेंगे, ये तो ऊपर से रख के स्क्रू डालना तो स्क्रू डालेंगे कर दो।
तो मतलब नीचे ही, उससे और नीचे नहीं आ सकता?
नहीं, इधर आएगा,
इधर ही आएगा,
इधर आएगा, इधर आएगा। कट करके फ्लश कर दो, अच्छा लगेगा आपको, अच्छा भी लगेगा, परफॉर्मेंस भी अच्छा रहेगा।
So let me introduce the Black Beast Brazzo to you. As you can see, it's working quite smooth. Let's get it connected to the internet first. Here we go. Applications, setting, network and internet. My phone is already showing it's connected to it. So let's play some music over YouTube to check system response and sound quality of our Harman speakers. We'll play some copyright-free music over here. This one or that one. Alright, anything is okay. So here we go. Zoom.
Guess you got all you wanted. Yeah, I don't know it's suddenly you're gone. You'll never be forgotten. Pretending no one. You'll never be forgotten. Pretending no one is too.
And our steering wheel also received this customized leather stitching, which gives elegant look and finish. And all in all, it costed us 1,500 rupees with hand stitching and making light and wiper gear handling super easy for me. Now it's no less than the top model steering. On the right hand side, you can see our cruise control options, which you can use on highways to get good control and mileage with ease of driving. And you can change settings of MI. So entire cruise control costed us 2,900 rupees. So coming to the left side of the steering wheel are media control, talking button, call connecting and disconnecting. Media controls costed us rupees 3,300. So overall accessories costed us nearly 50k. By now, we have added only the functional accessories for our Black Beast. Still, we have plans for more aesthetic accessories like light, alloy wheels, etc. So stay tuned to know more. Till then, take care, stay happy, bye bye.